So hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, let us discuss exercise 7.2 third problem of coordinate geometry. So here we have to find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points minus 3 comma 10 and 6 comma minus 8 is divided by minus 1 comma 6. So here the here the points are given. We have to find the ratio. So let us start our problem. So here point P minus 1 comma 6 divides the line segment joining the points A minus 3 comma 10, B 6 comma minus 8 in k is to 1 ratio. So here let us consider m1 as k and m2 as 1, or else you can use one more method also for this, that is m1 is to m2 in that way also, but I am finding in k is to 1 ratio. So p x comma y, we all know section formula, is equal to m1 into x2 plus m2 into x1 by m1 plus m2 comma m1 into y2 plus m2 into y1 by m1 plus m2. So here substitute the values. So here p minus 1 comma 6 is equal to k into 6. So k is m1 and 6 is x2, and here 1 is m2, and here minus 3 is x1, and m1 plus m2 is m1 is k and m2 is 1, so it is k plus 1. So here m1 is k, minus 8 is by 2, so here m2 is 1, and y1 is 10 by k plus 1. So k into 6 6k plus 1 into minus 3 minus 3 by k plus 1 minus 8k plus 10 by k plus 1. So here you can write 6k minus 3 by k plus 1. So this is the first one, and substitute in the first one, that is x1 p x1 minus 1. So substitute in the here, and second one minus 8k plus 10 by k plus 1. So substitute this one in the second one, that is y, that is equal to k minus 8k plus 10 by k plus 1 is equal to 6. So here 6 plus into minus now, so it will become minus, so I wrote directly as 6k minus 3 by k plus 1 is equal to minus 1. So now, so here 6k minus 3 is equal to minus 1 into k plus 1. Before here 6k minus 3 by k plus 1, no, I transmitted this side. So that implies 6k minus 3 is equal to minus 1 into k minus k, minus 1 into plus 1 minus. So this one now 6k minus 3 is equal to minus k minus 1. So add this one 6k and this k and minus 3 and this minus 1, so it will become 6k plus 1 k, and here it will become minus, so it is 2, that is equal to k is equal to 2 by 7. So now here here I wrote this step also, minus 8k plus 10 by k plus 1 is equal to 6, minus 8k plus 10 is equal to 6 into k plus 1. I brought this one here, or transmitted here. Now minus 8k is equal to 6k plus 6 minus 10. Here it is plus 10, now coming to here it will become minus 10. So here minus 8k plus k, this one it will after is equal from is equal to this side it will become plus only, but the symbol will not change, minus 14k, and here 6 minus 10 is minus 4, so here minus minus gets cancelled, and k is equal to 4 by 14. In 2 table 4 2 times and 14 7 times, that is equal to 2 by 7. So the ratio is 2 is to 7. So now let us discuss fourth problem. So here if 1 comma 2 4 comma y x comma 6 and 3 comma 5 are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order, find x and y. So let us start our problem. So the given points, let us consider a b c d. So a 1 comma 2, b 4 comma y, c x comma 6, d 3 comma 5. So the diagonals in a parallelogram bisect each other. So midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. Uh, the diagonals are AC and BD only now. So now midpoint of AC is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So here midpoint of AC is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2, that is equal to midpoint of BD is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So here midpoint of AC is equal to, so AC, so A points, the points of A, 1 comma 2, and C x comma 6. So consider this one as x1, this one as y1, this one as x2, this one as y2. So therefore it will become 1 plus x by 2 comma 2 plus 6 by 2. And now midpoint of BD, 4 plus 3 by 2 comma y plus 5 by 2. So here uh, B 4 comma y, D 3 comma 5. So consider this one x1 and this one y1 and this one x2 and this one y2. Now now bring x coordinates aside. This is x coordinate and this is y coordinate. In the same way, this is x coordinate, this is y coordinate. So 1 plus x by 2 is equal to 4 plus 3 by 2. 2 plus 6 by 2 is equal to y plus 5 by 2. This is these are x coordinates and these are y coordinates. 1 plus x by 2 is equal to 7 by 2. 8 by 2 is equal to y plus 5 by 2. So on both sides denominator 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So that implies 1 plus x is equal to 7. So x is equal to 7 minus 1, that is equal to 6. Y is equal to so here 8 is equal to y plus 5. Y is equal to 8 minus 5, that is equal to 3. Therefore x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 3. So we got the values of x and y. So in this way we have to do this problem. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, do, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my video.